guys, this is a video of my SIF, what's it called? C56 ceiling fan. The quality's a little bad. Yeah, C56 ceiling fan. This one has shorter blades and that's kind of it. Most of the models of these SIF fans still have the same kinds of motors with the same rating. I'm gonna plug it in. Oh, my camera isn't focusing, so that's what you're gonna have to see. One day I'll get a better testing stand. For now I'm dealing with the plug-in wire thing. There you go, there you go, there you go. This one's pretty powerful. It's got lighter blades. Logo seems weird. Whoa, that's fast. It's quiet too. Oh, that's really fast. That thing is fast. It doesn't blow a lot of air because the blades are bent. If the blades weren't bent, this thing would blow a ton of air. Spin down time. I should have a fairly quick spin down with those light blades. Just taking. Notice where it's mounted. Focus. This might take a while. The bearings are still really good, so let me just show you. Oh, stop. Let me peel off the logo. So yeah, thanks for watching.